In this video, I'll show you how to build your very own machine learning model using a free tool called Teachable Machine. And the best part, you won't need to write a single line of code. We'll build a model that recognizes different types of fruits like apples, bananas, and strawberries, all from your browser, really fast, following these 3 steps. Number 1, gather samples of data. 2, train your model. 3, test and export your model. Are you ready? Let's get cooking. Building. Today, we're going to use Teachable Machine, one of the simple machine learning tools out there, to train a model that recognizes different types of fruits like apples, bananas, and strawberries. You can train models using images, audio, or poses, and all you need is a computer with a webcam. First, go to teachablemachine.withgoogle.com and click Get Started. From here, you'll see there are 3 types of models you can train: image, audio, or pose. For today, we are building an image project, so click on image and then click on standard image model. Remember, the goal of machine learning is to teach computers to recognize patterns in data without needing to write so many lines of code. So let's go to step 1, collect our training data. You can either use your webcam or upload images. I'll upload a bunch of fruit images from my Google Drive, starting with apples, and create a new class label for it. Now, let's do the same for bananas and strawberries and label them as well. This process of labeling data is called supervised learning, a type of machine learning, but you give the computer the correct answers or labels during training. And if you want to learn more about supervised learning, check out my previous video linked here. Step 2, let's train our model. Once you've gathered your data, click Train Model. What's happening here is that a powerful AI tool called TensorFlow is working hard to teach the computer how to recognize the fruits. The model is being built for you right here in the browser, so please don't close your browser window. This might take a little time, so feel free to grab a snack if you're following along. You can click Advanced to learn more about how the magic works, but today we are keeping it very simple. Now, let's test and export our model. Now that our model has been trained, it's time to test it. Let's try it out with different fruits right here in front of the webcam. Yay, it works. The model can now recognize the different types of fruit, apples, bananas, and strawberries that we used to train it. One of the best things about Teachable Machine is how easy it is to export your model. You can upload it and let Teachable Machine host it for you, giving you a nice shareable link, or you can download it as a TensorFlow model file. There's also a JavaScript code sample that you can use to easily add the model to your own website or app. And that's it for now. You just built your very own machine learning model without writing a single line of code. How cool is that? Now, go build something fun. If you enjoyed today's video, tell me what you want your AI chef to cook next. Build next in the comment. Till I see you next time, happy learning and happy eating.
Happy learning and happy eating.